Hey, it's Sarah from Papercraft Junkie, and I just wanted to show you how I easily sew my signatures. This is the signature from my vintage Christmas 2 kit. So I just ordered some embroidery floss off of Amazon, and I got some really thick needles. They're called darners. So I have this really kind of gigantic needle. So I measured the embroidery floss to be about double. So I folded over a little more than double the size of the journal that I'm trying to sew together. And then, you know what? I forgot to get the, I usually use some paper clips too, to hold the kit together while I am sewing. Let's do that. Just so the paper doesn't kind of float around, right? I want it to not move. So I'm gonna paper clip it here. Make sure the sides are good. Up and down. Paper clip. Paper clip, paper clip, and paper clip. Okay, so I've paper clipped it together. I typically print the cover out of cardstock, and then the interior pages are 24-pound paper. This looks a little off. It's a junk journal kit too, right? Like, nobody's. So I use the embroidery floss. I don't make it even like if you're sewing, but I do use a little bit, leave just a little bit of a tail on one side, the other side is longer. And then I take this big needle and I kind of find the middle here. So about in the middle, and I kind of poke it through. Sometimes I have to use, oh no, I got it today. So I just poke it through there, right? Poke it through, pull it all the way through, and that long end, I'm gonna leave a little bitty tail. Actually, I'm not gonna start sewing yet. I'm gonna poke holes first, right? Don't get ahead of yourself, Sarah. Okay, and then at the top, I'm gonna go down about 1 inch, and I'm gonna poke another hole through without stabbing myself. Poked another hole through, and at the bottom I'm gonna go up 1 inch and poke another hole through the whole thing. Okay, now I'm gonna sew it. Doesn't look like. Go through the middle, pull, leave just a little bitty tail. I'm gonna go up to the top hole here, go through the top hole, pull. Okay, I'm not pulling too hard because I don't want that other tail to go. I'm gonna shorten this tail in my hand a little bit, and I'm gonna put this string, nope, I'm gonna put the tail over the one I'm sewing here. I'm gonna go through the one at the bottom, pull it through there, shorten my tail a little bit, see how it's kind of straight. Then I'm gonna go back through the middle again. I'm going to try very hard not to go through any of my embroidery floss, and then see how I'm coming up on the other side of this middle piece here. Okay, and so then it kind of sits around, both of pieces of these tails kind of sit around the middle piece. And then I just tied in a little knot. Tied in a knot. 1, 2. Okay. I usually leave the tails. I might cut it. That seems to be a little bit longer. I don't know. Kind of like it like that today. Take my paper clips off. And I have my little journal is sewn completely together, and pages won't fall out now. And so I've got my full junk journal kit is ready to roll. All right, hopefully that helps you figure out how to sew your kits together. If you have any questions, let me know, or check out papercraftjunkie.com and I can help you out. Thanks.